Hello friends, so this is the dermatology MCQ of the day. Vesicular eruptions are characteristic of all the following except. And if you have marked the answer as option B, you are absolutely correct. So please remember friends, vesicular lesions, that is fluid filled lesions, can be seen in congenital syphilis. Please remember, in secondary syphilis, vesiculobullous lesions are not seen, but in congenital syphilis, vesiculobullous lesions are very characteristically seen over palms and soles, and in fact, this forms one of the component of the triad in early congenital syphilis. And in infantile scabies, please remember, over the palms and soles, fluid-filled lesions can be seen. And in hand, foot, mouth disease also, palms and soles are going to have papillovesicular lesions. So option D also has vesicular eruptions. So please remember, Dariers disease is an inherited acantholytic disorder along with Hailey-Hailey disease. Though it is a part of vesiculobullous disorders, but please remember, in Dariers disease we are going to see yellow, warty, dirty, greasy, hyperkeratotic papules which are arranged over seborrheic areas. So distribution of these lesions is going to be over seborrheic areas. But please remember, in Darius disease we are not going to see vesicles or bulle. So that's it in this session. I hope this video was helpful. Please do hit that like button if it was helpful. Thank you so much. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.